And the next mod I'm doing tonight is going to be installing this bulletproof mounting system. And it goes in with the screw in the back over here. And there's some tape on the bottom and the side that faces the passenger compartment. Hopefully it holds it in. If not, I've got some extra heavy duty tape that I will replace it with should it come loose. So here's what I got to do. I got to take this piece back out, peel off those things, screw it back down again. Be right back. What I'm also going to do is use this screw to make sure I'm aligned once I've peeled the tape, because the last thing I want to do is have to pull it up and try to move it around. I've already cleaned the hole well with some alcohol wipes, and hopefully that should get us some good stiction here. So with this BulletPoint system, it comes with a GoPro mount, which is going to be mad cool because I really love filming. And the arm is really very well made. And I have it set up this way because I'm going to put the phone in by going up and then rocking it back in again. That way it stays more secure that way. You could rotate this using these screws, these thumb screws here, and you can adjust the angle here. So you can move this around if you want it a little closer to your hand while you're driving. I like to be able to get to the maps or something if I need that, although this has nav. Mostly it's going to be just to see who's calling on the phone. Anyway, this has been a great set of videos. I really enjoyed doing this for you. And my next install will probably be the side marker lights. Not going to get to that tonight. There you have the video with the GoPro and the BulletPoint mount for the phone. This is a 12 Pro Max. And it's pretty easy to slip it in, and then you can adjust this up and down as you want. And I'm going to probably adjust it a little bit lower because I don't need it this high up. I like seeing more of my window out. Anyway, that's the BulletPoint system, and those are the mods today.